Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, let's get this set up. Happy Tuesday, March 28th. Let me post this in the group. All right, sorry. Okay, May 4th, got it. All right, good morning, good morning. I just had to take care of that really quickly. It's 9:27. I already have everything set up, so I'm actually proud of myself. ES is the only thing that's been green overnight. Everything kind of had a rough night. Oil was on simulation because Tuesdays are horrible, and that's red 700. RTY is red 360, YM is red 360, and platinum is red $700. So but ES is green 500, but everything else is red. So we'll see how this morning can pan out. It seems like Tuesdays just aren't good for commodities. I don't know what it is. Tuesdays are funky. Like
order submitted.
Oh, scalper sent a trade, and Q. Slow is in a long. I'm gonna hide this. I'll put it in front, and then I'm gonna get live on. I just loaded Santa, NQ Santa, YM Santa, and then slow. This is slow. All right, I'm gonna get TikTok set up. It's 9:29. All right, we're in this long on slow. I'll put it in chat. I told them I was loading slow up. Green $70 here, 85. All right, let me get on the TikTok. Let's see if we get a push up. Our student call was good this morning. We have a plan. It's always good to have a plan. Well, what's going on TikTok? There we go. Green $100 on this long 125. Again, if it goes green 200, it will move the stop loss itself into the positive value, which means it will be a guaranteed green trade and there will be no risk anymore on the trade at all. Good morning. If you're new here, I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. Hi, Johan. Did you get everything set up? Did the access finally work when you pushed
Order
enable?
canceled.
All right, so slow took a small loss there for $80. Good morning, good morning. But I liked that long. It looked kind of nice. This is what we're looking like on the higher time frame. We'll stay here. So I have slow, I have Santa. ES is currently in a trade. That looks like this. This is the setup that's green. $512 overnight. If you're new here, I'm Lauren. I trade futures on the futures market every day using my auto trading algorithm. Okay, good, Johan. I'm glad. Hi, Kevin. Hi, Carter. Carter, if you can bounce over to TikTok and share that in the group, that would be awesome. Let's see if we get a move down here at the open with ES, because we've been in this short since like 8:40, so it's been like an hour. It's just been kind of moving back and forth. Hey, Unpredictable, did you get the email and getting more information? Thank you, Jen. I'm going to pin that. Today is a lovely Tuesday. Sadly, overnight we've had some losing trades, but hopefully we can make that up today during the day. Tuesdays, I don't know. Tuesday nights are funky, especially with commodities. I have my tea. I've already drank like half of it. So if you guys have any questions, just put them in the chat. Again, Apex, the sale ends tomorrow. Originally, it was going to end today. Then they extended it one day. They extended it one extra day.
Order filled.
ES is now green, $87. So let's see what happens here. What was the order filled? Slow did not take this short. Look at how nice that would have been, though. Thank you, Carter. I'm going to pin that, too. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. Green, $87 on this short, $100. I think I need to get a new office chair. This looks like squeaking. It's been like 4 years that I've been just sitting in this every day. All right, so let's see if ES can hit target here. I don't think we got the pullback we wanted. I have YM off to the side, Santa off to the side. Again, this is the only strategy overnight that was green. Oil was red overnight. RTY was red overnight. YM was red. So people yesterday, they were like, oh, do you ever have losses? Yes. We definitely have losses. All right, another $250 here. So ES is now green $762 on the day with this one strategy. 5 trades. You can see here, it's taken 5 trades. This is since last night at 6 p.m. $762. 80%, 1 loss. It had 1 loss for $200. This is NinjaTrader. So if you want to use the algorithm, it has to be on NinjaTrader. Whoa, look at that drop on NQ. Holy hell. Holy hell. We did not get the pullback at all. Slow is one of my setups on Scalper. Well, the drop under 50. Did anyone grab that? I know! Jen and I are so excited. Yep, so I don't discuss timeframes on the live stream, but you can get them when you join the group. Look at this short for slow. This would have been perfect, y'all. I need short to have not taken that long. The slow was the play. Once I sign up in Apex, how much do I pay you to get started? Yep. So we've talked about this a lot, Christopher. It's $500 for the first 21 days. So that's how much you pay me. $500 for 21 days. And then every month after that is $1,000. If you want more information, you can just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Remember, the Apex sale ends tomorrow. They're doing an 80% off sale, which... applies to all accounts. Like a $50,000 account with 80% off is $36. Slow is trying to take this long here. The slow should have just caught that short. That's really it.
Order filled.
I guess NQ just wants to keep dropping. Look at that. Hi, Almo. Does that sound about right? No, because now you're adding an extra month, D-Nice. There's only 12 months in the year. There are only 12 months in the year. If you guys have any questions, put them in that chat. The market does not like this. It's like, bye. We'll see if you can hold at 700 or not. Well, ES actually isn't reacting as bad as NQ. Was there something in the tech space? Like, look, ES is still back here, which is where it was before the market opened. So, but NQ is like, see you later. Bye. Kevin said the consumer confidence report is at 10 a.m. today. Thank you, Kevin. Just see your live. What is the bot and how does it work? Yeah, so I'm not going to explain how it works. And what's Moulin? No. Almo, we cannot have those questions in here. Like, oh my gosh. I can't. I think I have to mute you from the chat because I feel like you say things that then just get me riled up and it makes no sense. You have to have everything turned on at night. I'm not sure where the confusion is. It's literally now 9:40 a.m. By 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then you talk about... No, so the second month on Apex would still be $36, Christopher. But you're most likely going to pass within like 3 days. No, the sales for 80% off the months at any future months. Yep, exactly. Thank you, Panda, for responding to that question. Yeah, so Christopher, it's $36 for each month, but you won't need to pay it anymore once you pass. Like when you actually pass the evaluation, then you don't pay that fee anymore. There's some loud motorcycle outside. All right, we're not in any trades right now, which is kind of boring, but ES is green $762 since last night, which is awesome. Awesome. I'm really excited to be able to release these new algorithms for the group, but it does take some time to test them and make sure the settings are good because you can't rely on historical data. Good morning. If you're new here, I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 showing you my auto trading robot on NinjaTrader. So Santa NQ and Slow NQ are both in this long. We'll see what happens here. If you have any questions, please put them in chat. If you want any more information about the algorithm, I can send you an informational email. Just shoot me an email at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I wonder how Pink's doing today. Y'all, Pink was killing it yesterday. Did you see my post? It had like, it had a $2,500 short yesterday on one mini, which is so good. I'll show you guys because I have a picture of it. I put it on my Twitter. So this was yesterday. $2,535. This is one contract. You see, you guys see it says one here. So Slow took another loss there. NQ Santa took a loss for $180. So again, we have losses. It's very normal. You can't trade without expecting to have losing trades every now and then. Y'all, look at this drop. The market is not liking it. Once we're sunned up, is there a private chat? Yes. So, Christopher, it's not Discord. It's called Slack. It looks like this, but it's very similar to, Pink took a long run at the open. It's very similar to Discord, but it's Slack. I came up with the names. Joshua. Do not like the names. The Santa one was because I found it a few months before Christmas and it kept printing like day after day. So we're like, oh, Santa. And then when Christmas was over, we tried to think of a different name. And then we just came up with like Santa Banana. Y'all, you got to get with it. If you're on the live stream, you have to understand when these strategies actually trade. I'm not showing you range right now because range is not trading right now. So if you're DMing Irma saying, why are my strategies not trading, but Lauren's are? Yeah, that's a problem because you then have absolutely no idea what time the strategies trade. I talk about this on the live a lot. The strategies trade during the trading time on your settings. So that is part of the algorithm settings. Okay, I want this to trade from, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. That is a trading window time. So if you're not within that trading window, your trades can't actually start. That's the entire point. What I'm showing you right now is Scalper, which trades at the open. Range does not trade at the open. So that's why if you're only running range, you're not going to have any trades. If you guys are new here, I go live every day showing you my auto trading algorithm from 9:30 to 10:30. And again, whenever I'm on my live stream, you'll hardly ever see range because it doesn't trade until later in the day. And that's just how it is. But because I like to go live at the market open, I have to show people something. And therefore, I show you guys Scalper and now Zones. This is Zones. Y'all, oh, ES took that short. Oh no, this is NQ. Did I get a trade there? Oh yeah, it hit one there. But look, ES is holding up pretty well. This was the ES short that I had at the open, but look, now it's turning around. Yeah, you can apply the algorithm on pretty much any product that you want. So you can apply it on UB if you enjoy UB. Isn't that one of the treasury notes or something? I've tried them before. I'm not a fan of them. They just don't have as much movement and liquidity. Like, I'm sure they have the liquidity. They just don't have as much, like, volatility and movement as the NASDAQ or the Dow or gold or oil. Like those are just so much more fun to me. So we're in this long of slow. Again, this is on Scalper. I love Santa Banana. You should make a t-shirt. Yeah, Santa Banana. Oh, cool. Yeah, because a lot of my strategies are based around the NASDAQ, and so I can't just say NASDAQ scalper. Then people in my group would be like, well, which one? Which one? So I started making nicknames. So this one's slow because it's on a higher time frame, so it doesn't take as many trades. Santa is just because it was found before Christmas. Then I have a fast, which goes much faster than the slow. That kind of makes sense. Hi, Chad. How are you? We're in this green trade, and now this is guaranteed green. You can see that because the purple line has moved itself up. Again, this is scalper, so for anyone on the live stream that's new here and that's in my group, you guys, this is not range. Range has a blue box like this. This is how range looks. It has a blue box. Scalper has red and green lines. They're very different. They trade different. They're much more different in the settings, the times that they trade, stuff like that. Unpredictable. I hope that answered your question.
Order canceled.
All right, so it took profit there off of the trail stop. Santa is also still in this long. I can put that over here. Sometimes when we get these weird kind of indecisive opens, we get a smoother move after 10 o'clock. So maybe going into 10:15 or 10:30, we might see a smoother move. What do you find is the best type of algorithm trade type to pass an apex? Yeah, so that's a good question, Panda Man. Some will just stick to the most conservative, which is the range setups, because they don't take many trades per day, so you're not exposing yourself to too much risk. Some people will do Santa like this, and when it's green, they'll take their stop loss and they'll move it up themselves because you have that trailing drawdown. You have a trailing drawdown that is part of your evaluation. So say it goes green $200 and then it closes out at $100, they're going to count that extra $100 as part of your trading movement, even though you didn't capitalize on it. Yeah, the robots know exactly what to do. I don't have to be here for them to trade. Like, they trade on their own. ES is also in a long. The ES that's green, almost $800 on the day, is in a long. So let's see if it knows something that we don't. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. Just go tap, tap, tap. Or put a thumbs up on YouTube. That would be appreciated. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 showing you the algorithm. So if you're new here, give me a follow. And if you want more information, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com.
Order canceled.
Thank you guys. Obstacle. All right, cool. I know. But you know, there's like a whole sales tax thing you have to do if you do merch. Like these people that do merch, there's like a whole extra part that's really quite annoying. Because say you sell your merchandise in like different states, whatever, like I think there's some type of rule that if you have like a lot of sales, like if the majority of your sales are in one state, then you have to pay like this extra tax. So that, like, I'm not trying to work that out because I actually thought about doing shirts at one time and then I kind of got out of that. Oh, well, this person is rude. Yeah, so again, this is scalper. It takes a lot of trades, but what it does is when it gets in an actual trade that's working, it has huge moves. So the risk to reward is amazing on scalper because like yesterday, we had a $2,500 short on one mini. That $2,500 short compared to a $200 loss, it is what it is. The numbers work out really well. So this was yesterday. $2,500 on one short, and this trade lasted like 2 hours. But yeah, when the market's choppy like this and it doesn't know which direction it's going to have losses. But it's also important for me to show that. It had a loss here for $180. It had a loss here for $200. It's red 180 on the day so far because it had some wins before that. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that there. Yeah, so if you want to connect, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. YM is in a long, ES is in a long, and NQ is in a long. So we'll see if these work out because that is what we're currently in. Even overnight, this seems like it's just a hard day. Like, it's not easy. Today is not an easy day. Yesterday was an easy day. Today is not an easy day. All right, so Slow took a loss. Oh, no, that was Santa. This was Santa. Why was I saying this was Slow? This was Slow, but Slow took a loss too. Slow is red $300. So we'll see if any of these can find a move. This is also kind of what I'm saying, that when the market is choppy at the open, we're in a short here. Typically we'll see a bigger move closer to 10.15, 10.30, but there's nothing I can do. No, I don't trade the 1 minute. So I run, currently I'm running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm running 13 bots right now, 13 different strategies. I don't know what ATA stands for, but I'm running 13 different strategies. Astrology. No, absolutely not. What do you like, my outer space? My mountain picture? Is that why you asked? No, there's no astrology. Again, I go live every day. NQ range. NQ range? Oh, no, it's not. Okay, I'll add it. Oh, did I take it out of here? And I took it out of the top. Okay, I'll add it. All setups were 100. Perfect. Sounds good. We're in this long for $130. This is Slow. This is the setup Slow. So ES, again, is still in this long. YM is still in this long. So YM's long, NQ's long, and ES is long. I will add it back, Irma. No worries. I'm going to do it like this. There we go. I added it back to the top. All right, guaranteed green on this long, $230 here, $240, $270. So remember, ES, I'll get this out of the way, ES and YM are also in this long. YM is green, $35 right now. ES is green, $50, $75 on the long. So this is what I'm saying. It can get chopped up, and then it can finally... Yeah, I type 85 words per minute. No, I'm not in a gold trade right now. I actually don't have gold. I actually don't have gold on. Irma has it. I don't. I don't. God said Santa's in timeout. So we're still in this long. This is the trail stop. This is the hard stop, which is in the positive. If you want more information, what kind of platform? Yeah, so this is NinjaTrader. You can trade gold on NinjaTrader. But again, these are futures contracts. I'm not sure if you guys are new to the chat and you don't know what I'm about. I only trade futures, so I trade gold futures, silver futures, platinum, oil, the Dow, the Russell, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500. We're currently in a long of the Dow and the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Yeah, well, that's silly. You should never put your money in any type of platform that you can't do research on and it hasn't been around for at least 20 years. Like, my money is only at Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, and NinjaTrader. That's it. And they've all been around for 20 years or longer. And that's why I hate crypto. Like, crypto's such a waste of time. I feel like people get scammed into all these crypto things, and it's insane. Does it have spreads?
Order canceled.
Like, yeah, everything has a spread, but it's not, these aren't forex. This isn't forex. These are futures. The spread is literally one tick wide. That's the spread. Possible, what? What are you talking about? I'm not sure if that's appropriate for a chat, Tony, that word. I don't even want to say it because then I feel like I'm going to get put in timeout. ES is still in this long. YM is still in this long. No, I did not say Joe. I said Charles. What are your average trades per day? It depends on the strategy. So if we're talking about, I don't know, Santa, I guess on average it's probably like 400 to 600 a trade. The stop loss is 200. On range, it could be anywhere from 200 to 400. Derek, you've been in the stream for a while, so I think you've seen most of them. So this is the ES one that's currently red, the long, but it's green, $762 on the day. And this is zones. This is one of my new algorithms that I'm really excited for. So $762 on today. It's taken 5 trades, 80%. $250 the biggest win, and $237 is the biggest loss. So yes. So I'm excited about this. So if this has a loss here, we'll have to see, but it's been in this, like it was in this short for an hour before it hit target. So it's not like one of these fast moving ones like Santa. If you're new here, please give me a follow. I go live every day trading futures on my auto trading algorithm. There is a report in 2 minutes. So we'll see if the market wants to respond to that. Again, we're still in the long for YM and ES. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. What does a woman mean? Am I a woman? Like, what the hell kind of question is that? I think it's pretty clear in my voice. I've been watching you for a few days on TikTok and YouTube. You do a great job and I'm learning. Keep up the good work. Looking to join eventually. Okay, Joshua. It's so crazy how some people, I've never been that kind of person that has that restraint to wait to do something for like months. I have people that will email me and they're like, I've been watching you for 6 months. I'm like, Jesus Christ. Like, if I see something I like, I will sign up that exact day. Like, I have no restraint. Okay, well, I'm not sure what to tell you, user. You can check out my information, and if you want to join the algorithm, you can. If you want to learn how to manually trade, you can also do that. It's up to you. Do you tend to not trade when the news comes out? No, the algos are fine when the news comes out. I don't avoid, like, we avoid FOMC. That's probably the only thing. No, it does not work on Fidelity. I just said this. It has to be on NinjaTrader. You have to use NinjaTrader. Yeah, exactly. User 486. We are the same soul. Like, if I see something, I'm going to take a chance. And if it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. Then it's like, okay, whatever. But I learn the best when I just kind of let myself take a chance and do what I want. Because I don't have the patience to wait 3 to 6 months to be watching someone every day. Like, no. And I've signed up for people before where, like, there was this one guy on Twitter for stocks, and I'm like, oh, he looks so great. No. I joined his service. It was horrible. But it was fine. I wasn't, like, mad. I just canceled and moved on with my life. Like, okay. I lost a few $100s. Not a big deal. And I think I only joined his live calls, like, twice. And then I was like, oh, I want to do this. All right, so the market is moving lower after this 10 a.m. report. We are now down at 12,681. Did I pin that, Jen? I think I did. I'm going to pin it again. Slow is in a long. Let's see what happens here. So again, this is more of a counter trend algorithm, so it's always going to try to find the longs here, and it's always going to try to find the shorts at the top. But that's what really makes it strong when the trend, like the trade actually follows through, because then you caught it at like the very bottom, or you caught it at the very top for the shorts. Yep, Carter is one of my students. Jen is one of my students. They are killing it. If you want more information, either on my mentorship or on the algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Really kind of back and forth morning here. Yeah, so just go ahead and email me. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30, so I'll be on here for the next 30 minutes. And then tomorrow's Wednesday, same 9:30 to 10:30, but Thursday I will have to get off early because I have a appointment for my foot. I broke my ankle, so I have to go see the doctor. Yes, Derek, if you just watch it, I show you exactly how it works. If it hits this trail stop, it will exit. If it turns red here, it will exit the trade. This is a hard stop. It exits, it does everything on its own. It gets in the trade on its own, it exits the trades on its own, it moves the trail stop on its own, it moves the hard stop on its own. Do most students run your bot all day? Yes. Most of my students run the bot all day, and then they also manually trade on top of it. So then if the bot is red for the day, they're still green, or they're at least like break even. And then if the bot is green and then they're green, they just have like an amazingly strong day. This is not a currency. I do not trade forex. Where is that message from? I'm going to pin this. I only trade futures. Only futures. That's it. Futures, I trade the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, the Dow, the Russell, gold, oil, platinum, silver. Do you see how that moved itself? I'm over here with my hands in my lap. It's doing everything for me. It moved up the break-even offset in a positive value, and this is the trail stop, these thin lines. So I don't have to do anything. I don't have to be here if I don't want to. I could be sleeping. I could be at the gym. I could be working at, I could have a 9 to 5 and be working. So this stream is just to show you how it works. It's not to say that I have to be here for any reason. Does that make sense? This is the NASDAQ. This is slow. So it got long at 12,687, and now we're up to like 12,700. I'm so excited, Jen. So we're green, $355 on this long. Do I have to set all of this up, or does it do it for me? So you set it up once when you join TKC, and then all you do every night is turn it on. So there's an enable box, and you just push on or off. It turns it off for you every day at 4:45 p.m. The futures market is open 23 hours a day, so it's open from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. the next day. So today, the market is open till 5 p.m. At 4:45, all of my strategies will disable themselves. They'll exit any open positions I'm in. And then I just have to go to my computer at some point tonight before I go to bed and turn them back on. You can see it took profit there. That worked out well. Yes, there's a stop loss. That was the purple line that was just on the chart. This is the stop loss. Do you see? It says stop right here. STP. This is the stop. This is the target. This is zones. So it's different than scalper. But I wanted to show you something in a trade. These are trail stops, these red and green lines. And there was a hard stop. It was a purple level. But now that the trade's over, it's not there anymore. There's a stop loss. There's a trail stop. There's a break-even offset feature. All of this is in the informational email that I send you. So if you just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I have like 8 different algorithms, but the ones that I focus on the most are range and LIS and scalper. We're in a $400 long on Santa. Who gave up on Santa? Oh, Kyle did. What a surprise. Kyle, we're in a $400. Oh, I can show you the stop loss here too. So this is the stop loss. Do you see the purple line? Do I need an account to run long bot and short bot? No, they do it at the same time, but you're never going to be in the same trade of the same, like an opposite trade of the same product at the same time. That will never happen. Also, you can get an Apex account, which is a fully funded account. They're doing an 80% sale. It's like it's a prop firm. So this is the stop loss for the person that was asking. This purple line, it says it right here. Stop loss. That's the stop loss. This is the trail loss. To be on individual bots. No, it's not like that, Derek. You just fund your account with a minimum of $2,000 to $3,000, and then you run the bots per your account size and risk. You don't fund based on the bots. So if you fund your account with $3,000, you can run most of the setups, but you would be running them on a micro contract, not a mini contract. How much contract is that? This is one contract. It says it right here, guys. In this little green box, it says 1 and it's green. That means I'm long one contract. And the price of this one contract on the NASDAQ in NinjaTrader is $1,000. So I have to have $1,000 in my account to take this trade. And a few minutes ago, it was green like $375. Yesterday, we had a short green $2,500. So, you know, even if you took, like if it exits here for $200, that's a 20% gain on a trade that just started 5 minutes ago. Yeah, so it trades with NinjaTrader. The name of the bot is not going to matter because they're all mine and they're all protected within the vendor system of NinjaTrader. So all you have to do is email me to get more information. But this one is Scalper, but it doesn't matter. The name doesn't actually matter. Just email me, John, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So again, you can see we're still pushing up here on the long on Santa. Green, $385 here. So you could take this stop loss at any time and move it up if you wanted to. Like I could do this, and then I'm guaranteeing that amount. But I'm not going to do that because these lines are trail stops, and I want them to play a role and to get me out. So we're green $450 on this long. So on this one, it's probably more like 55%, but on my conservative setups, so NQ range is 100% on 2023, but it's 95% for the last 15 months. ES is around 84% for the last 15 months. And oil since October is around 87%. I can't pin the email. Did you post the email, John? No, I'll put it back up on the screen. It's also in my bio. It's boldbotllc@gmail.com. Boldbotllc. ES is still in this long green 200. Y'all, we're almost at target here. It was just 220 a second ago. This is the strategy that's 80% on the day, and it's green $762. If it hits target here, it's going to be $1,000 on the day. I can't wait to see that. And then we're still in this long. Did it hit target? It hit, nope, not yet. Oh, it's so close. So this, again, these are two different algorithms. This is scalper and this is zones. See the yellow boxes? This is not a pair. I do not trade forex. I trade futures only. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. This is ES, which is the S&P 500 on the futures market. As an investment 3K, most common as a mini. No, you would be trading micros. If you want to trade minis, Derek, you need at least $7,000 to $10,000. That's why I said if you start with the minimum is going to mean you're starting with the lowest amount, which means you're going to be trading the smallest sizing. I'm trading a single contract of the bigger sizing, which is minis. If you don't know about, the bot is $500 for the first 3 weeks and as a paid trial, and then $1,000 every month after that. I want ES to hit this so bad. We're 2 ticks away. Do you see this? The target is 4,007.25 and we're at 4,675. Go! It's literally 2 ticks. Do you set the parameters for how many contracts the bot trades? Yes, you set that parameter, correct. So if you were trading micro NQ and you only want to take 1 contract of the micro NQ, that's in your settings. All right, ES hit target. ES is now $1,012 in profit on the day. And this is only with 6 trades, y'all. Look at this. This is so fire. $1,012 using 1 mini. 1 mini on the ES costs $500, so you have to have $500 in your account to take this trade. The risk is $237. The win is $250. It's 83.33% on the day. It's had 5 wins and 1 loss. Yep, so I've been running my algo since 2020. If you want more data, you can email me. Oh, guys, we're in a $700 long on Santa here. I was too focused on NQ. This is why you don't do that, Kyle. If you can't handle the constant back-to-back small losses, then you shouldn't be running Scalper. That's just how it is. This is the NASDAQ on Santa, which is on Scalper, and it's green $700. This was the one that was green 300. It pulled back. You could take the stop loss and move it up here if you wanted to, but these are my trail stops, so I'm going to let it do its thing. The stop loss is right here, Woody. I don't know why people aren't seeing the stop loss, and I talk about it all the time. This is the stop loss. This purple line is the stop loss. This is the stop loss. It's in the green. This is the trail stop up here. If this turns red, it will exit the trade, and then it will take profit there. This costs $1,000 to take this trade, and it was just at like $750. So almost 75% on this one trade of the investment. It's my bot. It's called Scalper, but you won't find it anywhere. You just have to email me for more information. I'm a vendor with NinjaTrader. You have to have NinjaTrader, or you can use Apex. Apex has a 80% off sale that they're currently doing. Apex is a prop firm on the futures market, and you can sign up with them. Their sale ends tomorrow. It's 80% off, so you can get a $50,000 account for $36. And if you're doing Apex, make sure you choose the Rhythmic and NinjaTrader. Remember, you have to use NinjaTrader, not Tradeovate. So the $50,000 account is $36. That's how you know they never use stop loss. Right. Yeah, the stop loss is literally right here. Like, I don't know what to say. Slow is in a short. So if you ever used slow to combat Santa, you could then take this and kind of move it higher if you were like, well, slow is in a short, so I'm not sure how much longer this long is going to last. You could do something like that. But I'm just going to let it close itself, which it will do shortly. Do you have to purchase the full NinjaTrader platform to use this bot? Yeah, so you have to do the lease or the lifetime. But if you do Apex, they cover all those fees. So if you do the prop firm Apex, they will cover your market data and they will cover your NinjaTrader platform fees. The NinjaTrader platform is $99 a month. Yes, Lon, you start with range because people need to understand how things actually work. I have people that are literally new and they're using one algorithm. They're like, wait, why is it not trading yet? But the trading time, say it doesn't start till 2 p.m. So I'm like, guys, come on. So that's why when people join, I don't give them access to everything right away, just because it's too overwhelming and they can't even get the concept of the most basic algorithm. Yes, Apex is aligned with those hours. You cannot be in a trade after 5 p.m. with Apex. Correct. So like 5 to 6 p.m. you can't be in a trade, but 6 p.m. on, anytime the futures market is open, you can be in a live trade with NinjaTrader. I mean with Apex, correct. We're still in this long. What's the difference between Apex and Top Step? They're very similar. Any funded program, any prop firm that works with NinjaTrader, you can use on my bot. You can use Lilu, you can use Top Step, you can use One Up, you can use UProfit, whatever they're called, you can use it. As long as it connects with NinjaTrader, then you're fine. Does your bot pass the test? Yes, it passes the evaluation and you use it while you're in a funded phase, correct. Yep, sure thing, Panda Man. So we're still in this long on Santa, green, $610. Do you see why moving your stop loss and being taken out is not the play? Just let it kind of do its thing. If you guys have any questions, please put them in chat or email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. What is the stop loss when a trade is executed? So on this setup, the stop loss is $200. So the max you'll lose is $200. And as we can see in this long, it's been green as much as 750, I believe was the high. No, I do not trade crypto. I do not trade any of that. I trade index futures, so the S&P 500, the Dow, the Russell, the NASDAQ. I trade commodities. I trade gold, oil, silver, platinum. I think that's about it. Which bot combo do you typically recommend to pass Apex evaluations? Yeah, typically range only. All of that is discussed in the group. I have a Slack, and I have one that's dedicated just to Apex, so it looks like this. And I have threads for people that want to talk about Apex and kind of how to pass or what should they use or, oh, I see this happened. Did this happen to other people kind of thing. Oh, yeah, let me pin that, Jen. Is there a $1,200 mentorship fee? What is included? That is the mentorship. That includes 16 one-hour videos. That has nothing to do with the algorithm, Derek. That is if you want to learn how to manually trade. Guys, we're green $800 on this long now. Do you see this? $800 with one contract. This is 87% of the investment. Remember, the investment is $1,000. I have to have $1,000 to take this trade, and it was just green $870. It's not an indicator. It's a fully automated algorithm that trades for you. I have created it and I lease it out. If you want more information, just email me. When I sign up to Apex, is there anything I need to do to pass the sign up questions? No, you just need to sign up. Christopher, just go to Apex Trader Funding and just sign up. It's very easy. It takes all of like 2 seconds. You go here, you click on sign up. That's all you do. And then you click on the account you want. Start now, and then you put in your credit card information, and that's it. And they charge you $36. No, I'm not going to exit this trade and collect my profit, OOBI, because if I would have done that down here when it was green 300, I would have missed this extra $500. That's not how I run my algorithms. Some of them have targets, but Scalper does not, because this ran for $2,500 yesterday on one short with one mini. So could you move this stop loss up if you wanted to? Absolutely. Am I going to do that? No, I'm not, because I also have a trailing stop that's within the code. So when it pulls down here and these both turn red, it will exit me on its own. We're still in this trade, $855 off of one mini, so 85% on this investment. And this trade started at 10:05, so it's been, 15 minutes. 12 minutes, whatever. Yay. Good job, Kyle. Kyle's killing it from the morning call for my students. Hey, Carlos. How are you? Are your members in a different room? What do you mean? All of my members are in the same group. What do you mean? This is where all of my members are. 230 members. They're all in Slack. This is Slack. It's similar to Discord. You get an invitation when you sign up for either the mentorship or the algorithm. Thanks, love, for gift giving. I work at night and sleep during the day. Would this work for me? Yes, because Party of One, all you have to do is turn it on at night. I turn on my strategies at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. My Instagram's in my bio. My YouTube's in my bio. My YouTube is boldbot. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. We have a nice move here. The open was kind of choppy, but like I said, if the open is choppy, let's wait till about 10:05, 10:15, and we might get a move. Yeah, literally we're in a trade that would have made you easily $800. So to pay $1,000 for the month, it's absolutely worth it. Also, let's not forget that this strategy, ES Zones, is already green $1,000 on the day for 6 trades. So really on the day, that would be $1,800 one day with one mini. This is one mini, and the NQ setup is one mini. So you could be running both of them at the same time. This is why we have multiple strategies per algorithm and why we have multiple algorithms. I think that is gold. I hope I was, is or copy trading? No, it is a fully automated algorithm. There's no copy trading. You are applying my coded algorithm to your chart and it trades for you. There is no copy trading. Do we get the same trades? Pretty much, but it's not copy trading at all. I really want to join your subscription. Would you recommend Apex funding for beginners? Yeah, I think Apex is a good way to start. You can always do Apex and a cash account at the same time. So if you start with Apex and then you're like, you know, I want to also add a NinjaTrader cash account, you can always do that. And Apex, their sale is ending tomorrow, so you might want to get on that, and then you could always set up your cash account later. Do you see how it took profit here? Do you see how it took profit? This is it. Clapping cheeks. I'm not sure where the confusion is. This is it right here. So it just closed that from the long from 12,686, and it closed it at 714. So 45, 47 points. Obviously it was higher at one point, but I'm going to use my trail stop to get me out because again, this is a fully automated algorithm. YM is in a short, green, $100. So let's watch this now. Yes, you could just start with a cash account. That is all going to be in the informational email. But if you start with Apex, there's hardly anything you need to do. The cash account takes a little longer just because you have to get approved by NinjaTrader, which is fine. And then you have to fund the account, and then you have to purchase the market data and the NinjaTrader platform. But if you do Apex, Apex covers like all of those things. So if you sign up for Apex like right now, you could start using the bot later today. Have you tried operating with a trade copier? I have people in my group that use trade copiers for their Apex accounts. I'll show you an example. So he has 3 Apex accounts, but I think he sets them all up individually. Okay, so here, oh no, George is doing the mentorship. Let me show you. So like Carlos has several Apex accounts and he uses the copier. So this is his cash account, and then these are all of his Apex accounts. So yesterday he made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 4. He made like $15,000, $16,000 yesterday just using the trade copier from Apex. So he has, say, 10 Apex accounts, and he only trades off of one of them with the algorithm, and then they're all copied to the other accounts. So if you want to subscribe or, you know, get more information, sign up, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. But yeah, there's a trade, and look at this. Tom uses it too. Like I was going to show you guys more. Tom uses the trade copier too. So these are all Apex accounts. Apex, he has live evaluations. This is his cash account. These are all of his Apex accounts. So he uses the trade copier. Clearly he was using the trade copier on these, and then these, I think, were set up differently. How does it do with trailing drawdowns? Fine. You can see all of these people. Look, this is all Apex. This is all Apex. Somebody posted yesterday that they passed their Apex account. Look at all these. All Apex with the copier. It works fine. pretty much everyone in my group that has opened up an Apex account has then passed evaluation. We typically pass it within 2 to 3 days. Again, Apex, the funded program, does have a sale going on, 80% off. You can get a $50,000 account for $36, but it ends tomorrow. So make sure you go to their website. I don't have an affiliation with them, but I really like their product. So it's Apex, APEX, traderfunding.com. I have 2,100K accounts now. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. So you could just come in to email me for the discounted link for the algorithm, and then you would just be added into the group, and you'd get set up with the algorithm, and then you'd be ready to go. Clapping shakes. How? Which one? What's the how question? So again, ES on zones is green, $1,000 on the day. We just had that big move on Santa. Santa is right on the day for $200 though. Yep, the code is SAVE80, correct. That is the coupon code. My algorithm is $500 for the first 21 days as a trial period, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. If you guys have questions, please put them in the chat. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 showing you my auto trading algorithm on NinjaTrader. I only trade futures. I don't trade forex. I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't trade crypto. If anybody tries to follow you after this stream and impersonate me, it's not me. I will never follow you on TikTok. I will never DM you. So please keep an eye out for that because it's not me. 21 days. It's calendar days because it's all through PayPal. So there's no way to do trading days. It's all calendar days. Yeah, it's $500 for the first 21 calendar days. So if you sign up today, 3 weeks from today, your trial is up. So what's today? Today is the 29th, which is Tuesday. So 3 weeks from today. 1, 2, 3. So then on the 18th of April, if you want to stay in the group, you would be paying $1,000 for the next month. What happened when you don't open your scalper at night? Then don't open it in the morning. Then it doesn't trade for you. That's what happens. Everything's in a short. Santa's in a short, Slow's in a short, and YM is in a short. I literally just said the trial is $500. I'm not sure where you would get the idea that it's free from. That's quite confusing. Guys, the trial is not free. It's $500 for a 21-day trial. I literally said that this entire stream. What? Do you trade synthetic indices? No. What story with a new rec do you think is a good one? What? I have no idea what that question means. So you're too good to follow me. Yeah, I don't follow anyone. I have no time to be following people on social media. So if somebody starts following you that looks like me, like they steal my icon and they try to impersonate my videos, that's not me. Don't get scammed in some Telegram crypto bullshit because it's not me. Why so aggressive? Because I literally repeat myself 85,000 times a day. But this, boys, if it's not for you, you can just leave the live stream. We need some more keyboard ASMR. Even though your algorithm can, I adjust the amount of contracts. Yes, that is a common question. You can adjust the amount of contracts you want to use. I show you one contract, so it's easy to just say, okay, well, this is 1. So if I took 3, I would just multiply by 3. So this is 1 contract short. Does it trade endlessly in the time period? Yes. No, it trades endlessly. If you have a cash account, well, actually, it doesn't matter. If you're on Apex or you have a cash account with NinjaTrader, you can put a daily profit limit or a daily stop limit, and then it will stop at that value. But the algorithm itself does not have that. It will trade. Banned who? I muted him. Now I'll ban you because that's annoying. Does it trade endlessly? So yeah, it will take as many trades as it's able to, depending on the setup. Thanks for the follows. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. There's absolutely no money back guarantee. I'm not sure why anyone would think that. We really need to get the bingo up here. This is trading, y'all. If you don't know how trading works, you win and you lose, and you win and you lose. And if you do something wrong, you will probably lose. I have had people ask that before, though. Like, I'm not sure how that's ever a valid question. Bingo. What time zone is your 9:30 live? Eastern. Everything I do is on Eastern time. I don't have gold up. I'm not sure why people also join the chat and just demand to see gold. Is there some, like, secret gold world that I'm not aware of that's happening underground and you guys are, like, fiending for gold? YM is still in this short, but NQ got out of it. Yeah, unpredictable, I also answered you. But yeah, the answer is yes. I even explained it here. Have there been any zone trades yet today? Yes, there have been a lot of zone trades. Yes. ES is green $1,000 on zones. It's taken 6 trades? 6 trades, 83.3% on the day. People do come with gold a lot. I know, right? Like, what is that? They're watching too much Kramer. Bunch of dragons in your chat. Y'all, I get it all the time. It's ridiculous. A bunch of dragons. I really like that. Also, we're still in the YM short on scalper. Remember, this is scalper. This is not range. It's not zones. This is scalper. The red and green is a scalper. Whoa, good job. Lenny said, babbling, thanks to the teacher you taught me so well. Yay, post that. So proud of you, Lenny. He's trading micro oil. He made $280 yesterday and he made $275 today. This, oh my God, did somebody literally just say, where's your stop loss? This is the stop loss, you guys. Why is it so hard to see? It's literally right here. I'm going to break my computer because of you. Yes, I'm shorting. It literally is one red. That means I'm short. If it's red, that's a short. If it's green, then I'm long. Short entry, 32708. Would most, pretty much, but not all of them, because some of them are still brand new and they're being tested. Like zones, no one has access to zones. No one has access to volume. Okay. So you meant range. Yes, user, there was NQ range yesterday and it was 1-for-1. Please take that question over to the chat and ask Irma, because Irma will need to probably look at your charts if something's wrong, unless you turned it on after the fact. NQ only had 1 trade yesterday, so that could be why. This is the Dow. This is YM. It's green, $200 on this short. Go all in. Who says stuff like that? Dude. Jove, Enzo, you're going to need to take a chill pill. Nobody goes all in. This is now a 50% win on the investment on this one contract. Go all in. Like, y'all must be drinking early this morning. I'm not sure. Like, who passed out the tequila on a Tuesday morning? We're green $300. So this is now more than 50% on this contract. Now $350 on this short. This is the Dow, which is known as YM on the futures market. U.S. published positive U.S. sentiment means the banks will short all the fundamental traders. Okay. Yeah, I don't really care. My algorithm knows what to do. I don't have to be here. I don't have to be doing anything. I don't have to watch reports or fundamentals. Thanks, OVO. So we're green $400 on this short. If it gets to 500, that's a 100% return on the investment. No, I'm not TPing now. I'm not sure why you think you guys know better than me. Now it's lower than it was a second ago. My algorithm knows better than everyone. So I'm not TPing. There's no TP. Go take another shot of tequila. The people that are telling me what to do, good. NQ is in a short, and ES is in a short as well. So we're in 3 shorts right now.
Order submitted.
How long did it take you to make your algorithm? A while. Oops. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. $460 on this short, $475, almost 100% profit. Now, if you wanted to move your stop loss down, you can. You have the right to do that. So the people that are trying to tell me, take profit, you could do that on your own using my algorithm, but I'm not going to do that. $460 on this short. RTY is in a short. NQ is in a short, and we are in 4 shorts right now. Again, I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. I'm going to stay on a little later today because there are more questions today than normal. But if you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Somebody posted a dragon in the chat. How do I get your algorithm? Just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I will send you an informational email. If you want to use a prop firm, Apex is doing an 80% sale, but it ends tomorrow. I will never make it cheaper. It is 100% worth the price, and I've actually thought about increasing it because I have an overwhelming amount of members, and I'm probably going to cap the group. Like right now, we're at 230 members. I'm probably going to cap the group at 250. I'm definitely not going to tell you who my developer is, and he's on payroll with me, so he doesn't have time for you. It's $500 for the first 21 days, and then $1,000 every month after that. Yeah, sure thing, Sergio. Again, this is on NinjaTrader, but you can use a prop firm, so Lilu, UProfit, whatever they're all called, Apex, OneUp, I don't know. You can use any of those with the algorithm to pass the evaluation account and use it with your funded account. And so we're still in this why I'm short. Again, this is the trail stop. There's no target. This is the hard stop. Let's see if we continue moving down. Let's look at NQ. Y'all, look at these candles. This is insane. Oh, we went back to a daily level. 651, that is such an important level. Did my students see that? Hi, welcome. Pretty sure against Apex. Pretty sure. Yeah, but who cares? It's not a third party, so it works fine. How much does the position cost you? Because I just saw your balance was $1,000. No, you definitely did not see my balance. You 100% did not see my balance. So again, this position cost me $500, Jove Enzo, which is why I told you when it got to 500, it was 100% in profit. My investment, this cost me $500 to take one contract. No, Nero, I don't really care what you say. But it did actually go to a really strong level on NQ. So if I would have known that, but again, this is to show you a fully automated system. I'm not here to show you, oh, take profit. Oh, do this, do that. If you want to intervene on your own trades, then you should be manually trading. Yeah, so the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Russell are all $500 per mini. No, it's not $50. $50 is the micro version. I don't trade currencies wealth with Sharita. I only trade futures. Do you typically only use a stop loss with no targets? No, I actually typically always use targets. The only algorithm I don't use a target is this algorithm, which is Scalper. If you want more information, just email me. See, and now when it moves back down, look at me more. It's YM. I already mentioned that. I always trade minis. I would never trade a micro. I have a $10,000 account. YM. You can trade micros on my algorithm, but I'm never going to be trading a micro on a live stream. Like that. I don't trade a micro ever. Maybe if I swing trade something. That would be the only case. It's YM is the symbol. So if this turns green here, it will close the trade for me because, again, this is 100% fully automated. I don't have to do anything. I could be sleeping. I could be at the gym. I could be at breakfast. I could be, you know, in a meeting for work. David said, I highly recommend Apex. Why use your own money when you can use someone else's? So true, David. David said, the bot is incredible. They tried to scam me, then I found the real you, and thank goodness I did. Yeah, Kyle, like, oh my gosh. What's your best trading day as far as profit? I don't know. There was like an $8,000 trade one day with Scalper.
Order canceled.
Yep, it will. Because somebody tried to say that last time, and then I looked into it, and it's actually not correct at all. But good try. Penny boy. Oh my god. Enzo, you are not listening. Oh, it's $500 for the trial period, which is 21 days. And then it's $1,000 every month after that. No, I have no idea what UK 100 is. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap the screen and give a thumbs up. Yes, you can lose money. This is trading, people. I'm not sure where the idea that trading has absolutely no risk has ever come in. Who told you in your life? Probably crypto scammers. That's probably who. Probably some crypto Telegram WhatsApp wallet was like, you'll never lose. You'll never lose. No, you can 100% lose. This is trading. We are still short on YM. For the person that tried to tell me I should have gotten out before. We are still in this short. The only trade that it's been in since, you know, I don't know, 15 minutes ago. I'm not telling you where I live. That's just weird. Sounds good. Svel from Malaysia. Okay, cool. Apex works in pretty much all countries. I don't know if Malaysia is teaching people that you guys never lose when trading, but it's not true. It's not true.
Order submitted.
Even when I manually trade, I lose. Like, it's like, obviously I'm winning overall, but are there losses? Yes, there are losses. Yes, this is the stop loss, y'all. It automatically sets a stop loss, automatically has a trail stop, and automatically has a TP, not on Scalper, but on my other algorithms, it automatically has a TP. Look, let me show you ES. This is ES. This is the stop loss. This is the target. Stop loss, target. Stop loss, target. Yeah, Christopher, it's actually not that hard to lose a $50,000 account, but literally it's $36, which is why most people get like 5 or 10 or 20 of them. No, I don't have anything on TradingView. Everything I use is on NinjaTrader because it's fully automated. TradingView actually isn't fully automated. I don't know what that means. Yeah, well, my algorithms give me $1,000 every day. Yesterday we had a $2,500 short on NQ with one contract. Daniel, please don't put that in the public chat. I'm not sure why you would do that. This is why we have a chat, y'all. Is he not in here? Hold on. Oh, he's not even in this. Were you in it before? Yeah, awesome. Yeah, it's $36 for the $50,000 Apex account. I'm not What's the difference between take profit and profit target? Nothing. They're the same. Thanks, Super Todd. Boldbot rules. I just signed up. How much? Well, you didn't just sign up. Because if you signed up, you would have known how much you paid. What? This is NinjaTrader, y'all. It's right here. The name of my algorithm doesn't matter because there's no way that you can access it unless you sign up. I am a vendor with NinjaTrader, and there's no way you can get access. I'm not on Twitch. I am only on YouTube and TikTok, and if somebody tries to follow you and impersonate me, it's not me. I will never DM you. I will never follow you. I have no time for social media except for this live stream every morning. This is not a 5-minute time frame, and I'm never going to tell you the time frame, even if you got it right. But it's not. It is a full moon, isn't it, Kevin? Apex is a prop firm, so it's a fully funded program where they literally give you a $50,000 cash account or a $100,000 cash account, and you just pay the sign-up fee. No, I can't explain without being rude because you're literally asking the rudest and most annoying questions. Then who did I send money to? Oh, well, you didn't send money to me, Sergio. There we go, guys. Here's an example of why you don't send people money on the internet. Because Sergio just got. Like, this is not 1 minute. Y'all will never guess my time frames. So, it's like people in the chat are probably 13 and a half years old. And I'm actually going to move this back up where it should be. Just saying, hey, hi. Hi, Miami Earl. So you are 13 and a half? Is that what you're confirming? Bye-bye. Oh my God, somebody just said they were scammed $107,000 last week. What? If you want this robot, just email me. It's not a 3-minute. Y'all are never going to get it. Stop guessing. Oh my God. It's none of them. Well, this is fun. Okay, keep guessing. Keep guessing. Keep guessing. Keep guessing. Keep guessing. It looks great and interesting. What if market crashes? Well, we're in a short, so I think market crashing would be fine. Yep. Sounds good. Yes, this is fully automated algorithm, bot trading. If you want more information, just email me. Yeah, go ahead. Time it, Enzo. You're never going to get it. Ever. All right, well, I'm going to get off of here soon anyway because I've given enough time to the public community. My public servant duties are done for the day. No, we were in a long before for $750. What? We were in this long on Santa for, it was like $800. Did no just take rank user? Let's put that in the regular chat. I don't know your actual name or else I would tag you. Email, do you like to see the indicators I use over top of NinjaTrader could vary results? Don't know what that means. Why did you stop the other trading and go automated? Oh, I still manually trade. The email has been up this entire time, y'all. Let's take a little break. boldbotllc@gmail.com. I found your YouTube and notes on. I don't know what the fuck that means. And what HA do? What does that mean? Yeah, I'm on YouTube and I'm also on TikTok. That's it. I will never follow you. I will never DM you. I will never talk about Telegram or WhatsApp or some crypto. I don't trade crypto. I only trade futures notifications. Oh, cool. Very cool. You found me on YouTube notifications. Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Tap that screen if you appreciate the stream. I go live every day. I have stayed longer on this live, an extra 20 minutes for you guys, because usually I'm out of there. Who wants to make money? Okay, Dada. Love your stream. Thanks, Playboy. ES still green, $1,000 on the day on zones. I also had a kind of crappy day overnight. We'll see what range does today. All right. Yeah, and I have a Twitter, correct. But there are people trying to impersonate me on Twitter too, so just be careful. Yeah. All right, so YM took profit there. YM is green. So 32708 down to 32647. 50, 60. What's 60 times 5? 6 times 5 is 30. $300. $300 on that short. And remember, the investment was $500. So over 50% return on that trade. True, her stream is awesome. Hi, good morning. Dada. Dada. Literally, that's how I see your username. No, actually you didn't. It doesn't. I love that you think this is a 3-minute. There's no minutes. Like, y'all will never get it. I'm literally just trying to show you NinjaTrader. You can go look at all of my other streams. You'll see that the time is always there, but you're never going to get it. Shock people. Oh my gosh. That's such a good assessment. All right, I'm getting off of here. Bye. See you tomorrow at 9:30. Have a good day. Bye.